हाँ 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 नहीं नहीं एल्यूमिनाई में आप नहीं हो सकते ना भाई। हाँ नहीं तेरा कंप्लीट नहीं होगा तेरे भाई के केस में भाई
ज़्यादा
इसको फोल्ड
आप इधर बढ़ो, यहाँ पर आप भी आ जाइए, आप भी आ जाइए।
आगे से सर आगे सामने डबल ना इसका मतलब नहीं नहीं यहाँ हो रही है रजिस्टर्ड है।
फोल्ड करके डाल दो,
ऐसे डाल दो, ऐसे डाल दो,
ऐसे ही डाल दो जी।
डायरेक्ट डालनी है, डायरेक्ट डालनी है, डायरेक्ट डालनी है।
हाँ जी डाल दो जी, डाल दो।
1500 पहले नहीं कौन आया था
ओके ओके,
ये सिर्फ इसलिए है कि फोन रिलेटिव भी आया था तो रिलेटिव
ये उधर रख दो एक। आप ले लीजिए, आप उधर बन लीजिए, ले लीजिए, आप वहाँ बन लीजिए, उस टेबल पे चले जाइए आप इधर आइए। बराबर दे दो भैया, डाल दो डायरेक्ट देख,
थोड़ा साइड हो जाए,
इधर आ जाइए थोड़ा। हाँ डायरेक्ट
हो जाता है सर आगे से ले बिल्कुल आगे से ले बिल्कुल आगे हाँ जी सर कॉर्नर से ले
जब भी अप्लाई करते हो तो फिर अपने आप कैंडिडेट नेम ले रहा है।
आप इधर चले जाइए, इधर
पहले मैंने तीसरी बार में मैंने कर दिया, और इंटेंशनली मैं ऐसा कर रहा था। हर जगह पर गौरव बनना लग रहा है।
नहीं ऐसे ही, ऐसे ही डाल दो।
तो इस वाले को
इधर डिस्कशन इधर करने दो सर,
इधर डिस्कस कर लो जी
आपके तीनों एप्लीकेशन के फोन नंबर अलग अलग है, फिर आप इनसे बात करो।
इधर
अभी मैं फिलहाल इसे तो डाल ही देता हूँ।
कईयों ने जान के ना नाम की कुछ गलती हो गई तो उससे हो गई। जी सर बताइए,
इसको डायरेक्ट ऐसे डाल दीजिए, आपको चाहिए तो इधर जाइए।
यहाँ पर नाम कर दिया इस फॉर्म को हमने कैंसिल कर दिया। तो जिसमें ठीक है वो आपका वो प्रोसीजर, इसलिए आप वही नंबर डालिए। इसलिए हमने कहा ना राइट पर्सन से
सीधे सीधे डाल दो आप।
हो गई है
हाँ हाँ कोई बात नहीं, कोई बात नहीं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं।
इनको तो पढ़ते हैं, इनको तो ऑलरेडी पढ़ते हैं।
बरसाती होनी है, लिखा तो है।
हाँ जी नहीं सीधे
सारा ही डाल दीजिए सर। ये रजिस्ट्रेशन का पता है खाली ये ऊपर लिखा है ना 76 दोनों बातें ना आगे तो दूसरी नहीं आए तो दोनों इससे क्या होगा वो सामने है ना सिर्फ बैठे हुए हैं उनको पता चलेगा ये सिर्फ मैंने नाम भी दे दिया वो कह रहा है ये नंबर ये नाम है इसका कोई नहीं है ऐसी डायरेक्ट डाल नहीं है डाल हाँ डायरेक्ट
अच्छा ठीक कहाँ वेटिंग करना है?
हाँ जी चले जाओ।
ये ऐसे डालनी है या फोल्ड करके डालनी है?
ऐसे ऐसे ही डाल। लेकिन एक टाइम पे एक ही चीज़ होएगी।
हाँ नहीं नहीं वो तो वैसे इमरजेंसी के लिए पूछ रहे हैं। लास्ट में मुझे मैडम की एक फ़ोटो करानी हुई ना स्टेज को उसकी। आइए आइए
ऐसे ही ऐसे ही। ऐसे ही डाल दीजिए सीधे ही।
जाने के बाद एडमिट की
एज इट इज सीधे डाल। हाँ जी हाँ जी पेन
जबकि फेब्रुअरी है
हाँ जी डाल दीजिए हाँ नहीं ऐसे ही
सिलेबस आगे चल रहा है
अभी डॉक्यूमेंट
तो घर ही चले
नहीं नहीं ऐसे ही सीधे डाल दी
थोड़ी करिए इसने बुलाए बड़ा बोर्ड कर दिया बंद
This sunny morning. As you know, we are going to have a draw, and you are representing 17. You are representing 1552 applicants. As per DDMA norms, we could not call more than 200 parents. So we have called around 160 parents because rest our staff is also there. So we don't want to break any COVID protocol. So you have been randomly selected throughout from first number to 1552 second number. You have been randomly selected and you are representing other parents also to see that all the draw is fair. And we are also trying to present extreme transparency. All the 1552 slips have been put in this box under my personal supervision. So I assure everyone that your numbers are correct. Now there are 165 general seats. Out of this, 120 have already been allotted as per merit. Means those candidates who were having points 100, 90 and 80. They automatically get their admission. They have been selected. Whether they take the admission, it is another matter. Now rest, 45 seats are left. But the candidates for 45 seats are 1552. Means 1552 candidates are having points 70. Now for 45 seats, we have to take a draw. We will be taking out 45 slips for the shortlisting and 55 for waiting also. So out of 1552, only 45 seats are there and we will be taking out 100 slips. You can come on the stage and you can personally take out the slips. All those numbers will be displayed here, and those who don't get admission, then the waiting list will start. There is another matter of twins also, because ethically we should not separate twins. So if any twin is selected, automatically the other twin will also get the seat. So there are lots of twins also in the applicants. So I request you, if you come, if any twin is selected, if any twin candidate is selected, when you come to the stage, otherwise we will also know, we have a separate list of twins. You are requested to inform the teachers present over here about the matter. Is it clear? I think everything is clear. Now we will start the procedure of the draw. So when you come to the stage, please leave your belongings here. First, you will have to sanitize. Who is sanitizing? Jitendra, please come here. Although your hands have already been sanitized, but we have to take all the precautions. Preeti ma'am, I request you to please note down the numbers of the draw. On the stage we have vice principal, supervisors, senior student. So all the persons with complete responsibility in charge of nursery also. So we are here to ensure fair and transparent draw. So let's start. Anyone, please, आप आइए. Anyone can come by turn, सभी आते जाइए. Because I think people are less than 100, so some people will have to come twice also. आप ओपन करके दीजिए वो अब जाइए 411 788 If by chance the person whose number is called out, they are there, then you have to sign them. 1501. 1501. $704. Whole of the process is being recorded and the link for the same will be shared with you and the video will be posted on YouTube. 1171. Prinjal Vindal. I forgot to take the name. I'll call out the names also of the child. Yumna Kamran. 711. 328 Jiyash Nigam. 328 Jiyash Nigam. 990 Lavya Goel. 990 Lavya Goel. 435 Riddhi Sharma. 435 Riddhi Sharma. 624 Adhya Gupta. 624 Adhya Gupta. Shapat 351 Yuvan Bhajbaj. 351 Yuvan. 1856 Abhitav Panwar. 1856. 1111 Riyash Tomar. 4 times 1. 1864 Hriday Agrawal. 1864. 741 Priyanshi Arora. 741. कोई नहीं है अभी तक? We are taking care of with series also because that will reduce 2 numbers will be put there. Oh, very interesting numbers are coming up. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1716 Kushansh Tyagi. 504 Ananya Rawat. 504 Ananya Rawat. 843 Ayash Jain. 843 1043 Shivanya Yondia. 1043 824 Trihan. 824 Trihan. 1172 Divyang Sharma. 1172 1027 Saksham Khanna. 1027 Everyone is requested to please come to stage at these ones. 175 Vanshika Gupta. 175 589 Kubita Patra. 1080 Arishad Jain. 1080 309 Vinaya Gupta. 569 Ankush Ahuja. 569 28 names have been called already. 1142 Yuvan Singh. Please repeat. Yes, 1142. 206 Parth Sharma. 206 183 Yashasvi Kaushik. 183 1566 Ayash Jain. 1566 1908 Boris Chaurasia. 1908 471 Parth Pal. 471 234 Dhardik Bansal. 234 65. Form number 65. Vidit Khanna.
आइए सर, दोबारा आ रही है मैडम, आइए दोबारा में
1568. Navish Simran. If by chance the parent is here whose name is announced, you are requested to come and sign on the stage. Shaurya Mittal, age 29. Age 29. One seven five two Riya Sharma. 1752 Riya Sharma. Those who have come with children also, they can come if they want. Amira Sharma. Previously we used to get the slips by children only. 1474. 1474 Amira Sharma.
Last 5.
989. Utsav Sharma.
There are only 4 left now.
1362 Paras Kumar Abhisha. 1362.
मैडम आइए शर्मा जी, अभी है ना
1631 कितने रह गए?
बस हो गए, हो गए पेरेंट्स एक और है।
हाँ 1631 1631 अक्षर पांडे।
एक पेरेंट हो गए।
951 Shreya Agarwal. 951. Now 862. Last. Now our first list is over.
हो गया है।
1 minute रुक जाइए। कोई बात नहीं, वेटिंग लिस्ट हमने स्टार्ट कर दी। 862 Nidhi Balia. So now 45 numbers have been called out. As their numbers are written here. You can later on take the photograph of this and these numbers will be put on the website. Now we are going to call out numbers of another 55 for waiting list. Yes. We are starting with waiting list now. 644 Prisha Jain. 644. Now again you can come. Please hurry up. Please come for taking of the slips. Otherwise we'll have to take it out then, you know. बस थोड़ा distance से आइए. Please stand at a distance. We are very particular about 1493 Ahana Jain. 1493. 774. 774. Twins we are now getting ready. 1639. 1639 Tanya Khanna. One 466 Yugal Bharti. 1466. Nine 905 Shivansh Sharma. 905. 801 Priyanshi Goswami, 801. Niket Khandelwal, 296. मेहर हो गया 730 1257 Preeti Dixit 1257 1189 Jehan Jain 1189 1729 Advik Vishisht 1729 596 Arab Bhardwaj 596 those who are coming now they can come and pick up the steps 1157 Jessica Singh 1157 1454 Ayushman Bansal 1454 230 Tanishq Mehta 230 1042 Akshay Dubey 1042 Please leave that paper over there. किसी चेयर पे रख दीजिए. Nobody will take it. 225 Ronika Nair 225 Ronika Nair 56 Rini Chitkara. If this is twin case, so what is the other number? So we'll be giving two numbers to this 156 and other whatever the number is. एक space छोड़ दो अभी. क्या नंबर? So two seats are given on this 56 and 59 Meher Chitkara and Rini Chitkara. So two on one slip we are giving not two seats. One was taken out but two names are being written 56 and 59. Thank you. Because later on when the parents come it becomes very difficult and the rule is also that. Rule is also that. 1, 2, 3, 3 Rushika Verma 1, 2, 3, 3. I will read out the rule from DOE website. It is clarified that under sibling category, if one of the twin children gets selected, then only the other will be considered under sibling category. Otherwise not. 814 Subhan Dean or 814. So here comes the little one who wants to come to the school. Huh? Yes. Very good. 1514. 1514 Pragya Singh. 947 Sameer Chaudhary. अगर आएगा तो नंबर लिखिएगा करना। अभी आप निकालिए शब्द एक निकलेगा एक ही। अगर प्रिंस का आएगा, जैसे जिसका आया वो है ही नहीं है यहाँ पे, अनफॉर्चुनेटली कोई भी नहीं, बिकॉज द नंबर इज वेरी लेस. प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ a parent being here whose numbers are being called out is very less. Only 45 seats and 52 parents. 1062 Priyam Kara Agarwal. 1062 very noble names, very beautiful names. One six five five Akshit Babbar. 1655. (647) Zoya Sehgal. 647 Zoya Sehgal. So here comes another little one. What's your name? Okay, Akhil. So 1868 Anvi Gupta. 1868. Very good. Good boy. 964 Akshat Sharma. 964 Akshat Sharma. One 1874 Amaira Bhatnagar. 1874. Vanya Gulati. 651. $399 Inaya Goyal. 399. 223 Inaya Dharpal. Inaya name is very common, very favorite amongst parents. Inaya Dharpal. 223. 163 Anvi Khatkar. 163 Anvi. Gur Aziz Singh. 62 Gur Aziz Singh. 1241 Avni Garg. 1241. 1143 Adya Chaudhary. 1143. 796 Aditya Sharma. 796 Aditya Sharma. Anik Gupta, 389. Anik Gupta, 389. 1090 Inaya Gupta. Twins? Okay. So please show me the list of twins. 1090. Another twin is Ivan Gupta. 1093. So 1090 and 1093. देखो. 1671 Shriyanshi Indoria. 1671. 1218 Kumar Tiwari Shesh. 1218 Kumar Tiwari. 464 Yukti Bharadwaj. 464 10 other. 1448 Pratham. 1448. 1373 Pratham Vilocha. 1373. 174 Ranveer Singh. 174. 192 Arohi Sharma. 192. Arushi Singh 171. Arushi Singh 171. One 1107 Kanhargarh 1107 शर्मा जी बस इसके बाद नहीं ना 2186 रियांश अग्रवाल 2186 468 Ansh Khanna. 468. Two more. Okay. That's all. $621 Atal Sharma. 621. 88. 88 Rishabh Gupta. That's all. We place these. We will place these boards here. You can take the photograph. You can again check the numbers. And first list will be put on 4th February as announced by the government. Then the further processing. Thank you.
पहले वाला बोर्ड लाओ पेट वाला शॉर्ट लिस्ट पर ना लाओ ध्यान रखो बस बस डिस्टेंस इज
Please don't crowd over here. Please don't crowd over here. Everyone will get the chance to take a
अभी करेंगे फोटोग्राफ हो जाने तो डिस्ट्रीब्यूट को आइडिया दे देंगे डिस्टेंस है सर डिस्टेंस वेटिंग का ये सेलेक्टेड हाँ ये मीटिंग है मैडम
माफी है
डिस्टेंस रखिए सर, मेंटेन डिस्टेंस प्लीज।